In the world of Sarah, a passionate barista, each day begins with the enticing aroma of freshly ground coffee beans. Every cup she brews is not simply coffee, it's an opportunity to bring a smile to someone's face, to kickstart their day with a dose of happiness. Meet Sarah, the heart and soul of a bustling coffee shop. She's the wizard behind the counter, turning simple beans into a magical concoction that has the power to transform mornings, mend hearts, and make days. She's a master of her craft, and her tool of choice is the humble coffee bean. But Sarah's coffee shop isn't just about the perfect cup of joe. It's a place where people come together, where conversations flow as smoothly as the coffee from the espresso machine. It's a place of connection, a community brought together by the shared love of a good brew. As the day rolls on, Sarah never misses a beat. Her energy is infectious, her passion evident in every cup she crafts. She isn't just serving coffee, she's crafting experiences, brewing dreams. She experiments, she innovates, always striving to bring something new to her customers. Her coffee shop is a laboratory, her apron a scientist's coat. But when the sun sets and the lights dim, the coffee shop transforms once again. It's no longer the bustling hub of the day but a quiet haven, a sanctuary. As Sarah locks the doors and bids her coffee haven goodnight, she knows she's achieved more than serving great coffee. She's created a space where people feel at home, where they can find comfort and warmth all in a cup of coffee. So, what is it about Sarah's coffee shop that makes it unique? It's the love and care poured into each cup, the camaraderie shared over the counter, the sense of community fostered within its walls. It's the magic of coffee, brewed to perfection by a passionate barista, and the moments of connection it inspires. As we journey through the world of coffee with Sarah, we see that it's more than just a drink. It's a lifestyle, a passion, a community. It's a world where dreams are brewed one cup at a time.